हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं आज फादर्स डे है और फादर्स डे हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट दिन होता है। इस दिन को हम जून के थर्ड संडे को हर साल मनाते हैं। इस दिन हम एक्नॉलेज करते हैं एक फादर के कंट्रीब्यूशन जो होता है बच्चे के लाइफ में, उसको एक्नॉलेज करने के लिए। ऐसा कहा जाता है कि इस डे को स्टार्ट किया था एक अमेरिकन वुमेन ने who was raised by her father. उसका नाम था सोनारा स्मार्ट डॉट and she lost her mother when she was just 16 years old and her father then raised her and her 5 brothers. इस दिन को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए बहुत से तरीके हैं। कुछ लोग कार्ड्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं, कुछ गिफ्ट्स और फ्लावर्स देते हैं, कुछ प्रीफर करते हैं फादर के साथ बाहर जाकर डिनर करना, उनके साथ समय बिताना। कई उनके साथ पूरा दिन बिताने की कोशिश करते हैं और हो सकता है इस साल पेंडेमिक की वजह से एक डिफरेंट तरीके से मनाने का मौका मिले, बट हमें इस दिन को एक स्पेशल दिन समझ के ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ अलग करके सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए। ऐसा कहा जाता है कि मदर्स आर द सोल ऑफ आवर होम्स whereas fathers are their very existence. Little is written or said about fathers, even though we understand their value in our lives. We hardly ever hear anyone talk about fathers. Mothers are made of an ocean of tears. Fathers are a ball of self-control. Mothers relieve their pains through tears. Fathers only console, and it is harder to console than it is to cry. Surely the candlestick is hotter than the flame, yet it is always the flame which gets the praise. We remember mothers as the ones who took care of our daily needs, yet how easily we forget fathers who arrange finances for daily needs. Mothers can cry uncontrollably in public and fathers sob in their pillows at night. Mothers are allowed to cry, fathers can hardly be seen in tears. We can notice the patches on his shoes. His tattered vest is a sure sign of the struggle he has gone through. His unshaven beard is a sign of his frugality. He will buy new pairs of expensive jeans for his children, while an old pair of pajamas will do for him. While children don't blink an eyelid when they spend thousands of rupees in a beauty parlor or saloon, yet in their own home, a father may be using talcum soap to shave because his shaving cream is finished, or he might be shaving in just water. When a father is ill, he does not rush to the doctor. He does not fear his illness, but is afraid in case the doctor tells him to rest for a month, as there will be no other bread earner in the family. Whether he can afford it or not, he works hard to get his son admitted to an engineering or medical course. Despite the shortage of funds, he sends money regularly to his child at university. Even some children go on a gala spending spree on the same day the money arrives. Our home is secure from outside when a father in the form of its manager is alive. He holds the position of the chief executive of the household. He sees repairs and cares for jobs around the house. Let me share with you that there are only 2 individuals, that is parents on this earth, who are concerned about our growth in each and every aspect of our life and selflessly contribute towards that. While mother is concerned about the health and welfare of the child, father is concerned about the growth and career. It is only the father who feels proud when his child starts his career and grows in that career. Students, I would suggest you to do your utmost and start a good career as early as possible so that you can make your father happy and proud and be able to extend your support to him and the family. We should always be grateful to them and try to respond, respect, and care for them to the best of our capacity. Nobody else can replace this relationship in place of parents. So hug your father and or do something which expresses our gratitude towards him and pleases him. Personally speaking, I lost my father in 2006 and mother last mid-November while she was around 99 years, and pray to God that their soul rests in peace. Let us all salute to all our fathers of the world. Thanks and God bless you.